Alright guys, if you guys haven't noticed, I'm starting to make a lot of unboxing and product reviews lately. My girlfriend has finally got here and she's wanting a bunch of stuff. So I'm sure you guys all know those kind of problems. But anyway, she drinks coffee, so we got one of these Chulux coffee brewers. I'm going to leave the link in the description to Amazon where we purchased this. And this is a single serve. I'll go ahead and let you guys check out the boxes. So a single cup design right here. One button on and off, making your fresh coffee just got easier with our brewer. Auto shut off function after brewing. Removable drip tray and filter basket. So if you're lit with a bigger cup, you can take that off and put a larger cup in there. 2 to 3 minutes fast brewing for 5 to 12 ounce coffee. Perfect for coffee capsules and reusable filters. And that's one of the reasons we got this, is because she got one of these and didn't realize that it actually took a brewer. She did try it, mixing it up. Wasn't still too bad, but probably a lot better in a coffee. And that looks like all the stuff on the box, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. So you guys see how it's packaged as best as I can. We went with the orange. There's several different colors. Instructions. We don't ever really follow instructions too well. But yeah, here's all the different colors this thing comes in. As you can see, this isn't that large, so definitely something that you could take traveling with you. If you're in a car, RV. As you can see, that comes off of there. There's no other buttons other than just this power button. So that's going to make it real easy to operate. You can see right here there's a lock, unlock. So you unlock it, pop that up, and looks like this one is going to be for your coffee grounds. So it's a little bitty guy right in here. So if you're going to make your own brews, you're going to be using that one right there. If you're going to be using something like this, you'll be putting that right in here. And it looks like there's a prong in there. You can see it right in there. Prong right there, that's going to puncture this cup. So it looks like you're going to pop it in there and it's going to puncture the bottom of this. Alright, I'll go ahead and make a cup. Alright, got it over here plugged in. Go ahead and pop this down in there. See, I just snapped it, poked a hole in that. Put it down, lock it in.
8 ounces of water.
Oh, we don't have the water in there. Pop that open. Oh, and it also pokes in on the top here as well. There's a needle over here. I'll go ahead and show you guys that too. See the needle right here? We forgot to add water. There's some directions right here. Turn knob to unlock position to open lid. Insert single capsule. Pour water into water tank. Make sure filter basket is fitted to inlet reservoir. Turn knob to lock position to close lid. Press power button until light on. The light will stop flashing after finishing water heating. So right now I can hear it a little bit heating up. It's not too loud at all, but I can hear it. And I'm not timing this. I guess this thing's timing since I'm recording. That said, this should be 2 to 3 minutes. Going to heat that water before it sends it through this little thing, your little packet. I don't even know what they're calling. What are they calling those things?
K-cup.
K-cups. Guys, as you guys don't know, I don't really drink a whole lot of coffee, but who knows, this stuff might taste good. She's getting this caramel stuff. That's really not coffee, guys. You know, drinking these, what are they, frappuccinos and
Cappuccino. That is cappuccino.
My dad always drinks coffee. He drinks probably at least a pot a day, and it's straight black. I'm gonna move you guys in closer so you guys can see it starting to, it hasn't started yet, but I'll let you guys see it start dripping in there. There it goes. And it's not dripping, it's pouring out.
Too much water.
Well, we're gonna see if it overflows. I think that's it. We came out perfect for a full cup, but it might be a little bit watered down.
Yeah, I told it's only 8 ounces.
And if you don't want it to drip into this, let's say you have a bigger cup, you just leave this on there until it stops dripping, like now.
Try it, babe.
Get a spoon. It's pretty warm. Definitely warm enough. We'll go ahead and open this up. So we're going to be probably going through and trying the different types of these. But yeah, it looks like it got it all out of there. Go ahead and look in there. Ta-da!
Let's see what it goes.
So, as always, if I end up having any troubles with this in the future, I'll leave comments in the description on problems that we're dealing with. I'll let that cool off a little bit because it is pretty warm. Yeah, that water is plenty hot. One of the big things we're going to be using it for this winter is making hot water for our hot chocolate.
Yeah. There's also hot chocolate, K-cup hot chocolate.
Is there?
Mm-hmm.
I'll probably still be buying that in this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can load the chocolate in it. Okay, we're going on about 2 weeks that we've had this, and we've been making just at 2 cups every day. It's been working flawlessly. Move this one over. Add some water.